How to transform any object just by editing. First you need a camera and always two objects which roughly have the same size. When you start recording, place your camera somewhere. Most important is that it doesn't change its position. Then take object number 1, place it in front of your camera and make like a spin movement. Then take your second object, place it at the same position and again make a spin movement. You can also do this effect from the ego perspective, it's just important that you don't change the perspective of the camera that much. And the magic part will happen in Final Cut. Cool, now we have all our clips. Take your clip. Here we have our first object. So when I make the spin movement, so right here, I set a cut. Then I go to the second object. And right here, when I'm making here the spin movement, this one, I will set there a cut. And the things between those two cuts we just delete. And now if we play it, we transformed our object without any problems. And this always works everywhere the same. Yeah, cool. And this is how you can transform any object you want. Just by editing, just by Final Cut. I hope you understood everything. If you have any further questions, just ask me in the comments below. Like, subscribe, it would be great, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching, have a wonderful day, bye bye.